In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Yahoo Support. We'll walk through the official route so you know exactly where to go, what to click, and what options you can expect. The key is to start with Yahoo's own help portal, because that's where most issues are resolved and where any available contact methods will appear based on your situation. Open your browser and go to help.yahoo.com. This is Yahoo Help Central, the primary hub for support resources. From here, choose the product or issue category that matches your problem, like mail or account. Each section includes curated help articles and troubleshooting guides written by Yahoo, and in many cases these solve the problem without needing to reach a person. Use the search bar to type in your specific issue things like password reset, can't receive mail, or suspicious sign-in. Open the most relevant article and work through the steps carefully. Many guides include links that take you directly to the right settings or recovery tools. As you explore Help Central, look for a Contact Us option that may appear on certain pages. Depending on your eligibility, location, and the type of problem, you may see email support, live chat, or a path to a specialist. For account-related questions, go to the Account Management area, where you'll find recovery and security steps, including sign-in help, verification prompts, and guidance on updating security info. Follow the on-screen prompts exactly, because the system tailors the next steps based on your answers and your account status. If live chat is available for your issue, start the chat during posted business hours to get real-time assistance. When the chat opens, briefly describe the problem, include any error messages, and share what you've already tried from the help articles. This helps the agent move faster to the right fix. If the system provides a case number, save it so you can reference it later. If a chat option doesn't appear, continue using the articles or any available email pathway surfaced by Help Central. If you're a Yahoo Plus subscriber, you have access to 24/7 phone support. To ensure you're calling the correct number for your region, check the phone details provided inside your subscription benefits or within Yahoo Help Central. If you're not a subscriber, be aware that general phone support isn't offered, so rely on the online help tools, search, and any contact options that appear for your account.